Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use mentions feature on Google Gemini to specifically mention a specific extension and give it a task. So in here, what you need to do is just open the Gemini on your phone or maybe on your browser like this. And then here you can just click on this, enter a prompt, and then just click use add symbol to mention the extension, and it will show up like this. For example, I'm going to choose the Google Flights and write the task. So for example, in here, I'm going to just find me a flight to Bali, for example, for August 30. Like this, you can just click on enter, and then Google Flights or Gemini will works to find you the right flight schedule. So you don't need to mention where are you from, because Google knows it where are you from, and it will directly show you the flight from your city to the one that you mentions on the prompt. Here are the results and also the price. So you can just click on one of them to directly book it from the Google Gemini. So that's all from me. You can always use another extension if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the